I can bet that you will be surprised by what I'm going to teach you today. I've found a groundbreakingly simple way to earn some money online through a very little effort with just a few easy steps. In this video, I will show you a website where you can earn money just by doing small tasks. These tasks are so simple, I can bet that you've already doing it every day without even realizing it. And now, I'm going to teach you a way how you can earn some cash by doing it. Don't worry, there's no selling, referrals, MLM, or affiliate marketing of any kind. You don't even need to invest. All it needs is a little bit of your time, that's it. No matter which country you're from, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else, this is something that you'll be able to do. Comment down below which country you're from. We hope this video will help you out in making some income with little effort. So follow our instructions step by step and you'll learn how to do it. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends, and together, you can earn some money online. On this website, the earning potential is limitless because all you have to do is watch YouTube videos, and then you'll earn money. Crazy, right? We watch YouTube videos every single day, whether it's for entertainment or to learn something. Nonetheless, it's such a simple thing to do, right? Although it does require a bit of your time, you don't even have to be paying attention. You can just keep your browser open and let the video play and the website will pay you for it. So, what is this magical website, you may be wondering? What is this website that will pay you to do something that you do every day? Well, the website is called Zoombox.com. If you head over their website, you can see that you can join the website for free. Absolutely no need to put any investment of some kind. You don't need to pay the website any money at all just so you can get started. In Zoombox.com, you can earn money by completing surveys, doing offers, or what I told you about, watching TV or YouTube videos. So what are you waiting for? Let's sign up right away. It's only 3 simple boxes: your email address, a unique password that you will create, and then just confirm that password. Click on sign up now and you're already set and good to go. Alternatively, you can just sign up with your Facebook account or with your Google account. Clicking those buttons are a much more efficient alternative. If you're still a bit doubtful of the legitimacy of the website because of how easy it is, don't worry. Not only can you make money, if you scroll down below, you can see a list of gift cards that they also reward to people every time. So not only are you earning money, you're also getting free gifts. Isn't that great? So after being able to sign up, let's get started on how you can earn money. Remember, we will be focusing on watching YouTube videos because this is something that we already do on a daily basis. And it's something that you can get paid a lot of money with despite almost putting in zero effort. After making an account, you will be redirected to a homepage where you will see your account's dashboard in Zoombox. On this page, you will see a list on the left-hand side of the screen. The first 3 are the tasks you can do. Click on Watch to go to the Video section. Here in the Video section, click on the available streaming platform and you will be redirected to a site where you can scroll through a wide variety of videos that you can start watching to earn money. Just click on anything that interests you or just any video at all. It's very simple. But remember, in order to make money off of doing this, you need to make sure to watch the entirety of the video, or else you won't get credited for the work that you did. So keep that in mind when searching for videos to watch. You want to make sure that you don't go for something too long. Once you choose a channel that you will be watching, they will require you to sign up for the website as well. But don't worry, once again, this is completely free. Because if you don't register, you won't be able to earn money. So take a bit of time to just fill in the required information once again. As a small tip, you can earn more money by watching more videos all at the same time by using different tabs. It's a very simple hack. You can accumulate a lot of points, and with those points, you can start cashing out money or exchanging it for money. Zoombox is very transparent with their payout method. They even have a leaderboard section where you can see the list of users and the amount of money they've earned through using Zoombox and doing various micro tasks. So you can rest assured that you can definitely make a lot of money here. Just look at how much other people are making. So as I've shown you, there are a lot of ways to be able to earn money online with very little effort, even if you don't have any hard technical skills. You only need to look at the right place, and that place is our channel. So watch out for more of our videos. We upload easy money making tips constantly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some passive income online without having to do anything. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and family and be able to help out others too.